Hey, doctors of chiropractic out there, like my new earring? I have to remember not to put on lipstick because it's kind of ridiculous to get lipstick on your mask. But us women are addicted to that. But let me tell you something that I'm really addicted to, and I hope if you come on this free workshop with me, you'll become a flow addict with me. Because I believe that my friend Flo, you gotta embrace her and come with me and flow and breathe back to health. There is so much stress out there. In the beginning, I thought that you chiropractors would immediately hold the phone up and breathe to help your vagus nerve. But I failed and closed the Looking Up Foundation because I couldn't get you guys to look up and breathe. Now it's COVID time and your breathing is definitely under stress, working in a mask, both physically and probably emotionally and spiritually with everything that's going on with the immune system and the nervous system. It's time to flow and relax. And when you can, choose full breath postures. Come flow with me on a Zoom call and let's get addicted back to nerve flow, breath flow, and be as healthy and strong as we can be, because our society needs us. It needs you. It needs you. It needs you. It needs us to master our own breath and nerve flow so that we can heal ourselves first and be strong and teach our society how to increase breath and nerve flow so that they can be healthy and strong too. I hope you join me. Please call me if August 11th, Tuesday, 7:30 to 9:30 is not a good time for you. But press this link and learn more. It's a free workshop for chiropractors. Come flow with me. Come dance with me. Come breathe with me. Come heal and strengthen with me. Hope to see you on the call. Love you, docs. See you soon. Bye.